Welcome back. If you remember from last week's video, I'm doing a bunch of prep work for fall renovation, and we've made some progress. So hold on a minute. So if you remember from last week, I was going to get this RV pad extension poured out so I can work on moving sprinklers here and there and whatnot. But we got that yesterday. The guys that came and helped me didn't really want to be on video, which is no big deal. It's just pouring concrete. I haven't done finish work in about 15 years, so it didn't turn out terrible. It's just an RV pad. Trailer's going to sit on it. Not too worried about it, but real happy with how it turned out. Didn't really have any problems at all with it. So I'm just going to let this dry for the next couple of weeks before I can put the trailer back on it. But I think it turned out pretty good. Okay, so I fixed the main sprinkler line so I could run the sprinklers out front the other day. I still need to fix this one. For some reason, it goes out to a planter on the other side of the gate. But I need to fix that one still, and then finish digging the grade from where this downspout's going to drain here up to where I'm going to tee into it right there. So just got to finish digging that grade and then start putting it back together. So we'll just see how this goes. Alright, so that's looking pretty close. So I gotta get the tee in here. It does slope down from here to there, so it's got a nice good run up under the sprinkler lines. So once I get that hooked up, then I'm gonna take an elbow, go this way, and right over to the downspout. But for now, let's work on this. Alright, so we got this teed in. So this is coming from the roof, this side here. This goes over to the new downspout from my patio cover, and that goes out to the street where I still need to find the plug, but I'll get to that. But I got this done, and see if I can do this without falling in the hole. But it just comes up to here, corners off, and right up to the downspout. That way I can quit running water right through the lawn and making a big divot and out under the gate. But that's what I wanted to get done. Now I still need to hook up this sprinkler line here back up, and I'm going to figure out somewhere right here to put a sprinkler, so I'll get on it. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Drains in line, runs out to the road. Broken line fixed. That's called a slip joint. Little spendy, but makes life real easy when you're trying to fix broken things. And then I just teed this back together. There's enough flex in it. Not, I didn't need a slip joint. And a new sprinkler line. Sprinkler's going to go there so it covers both this way and that way once I get it all adjusted. So that's one of the 8 sprinklers I need to change. But it's time to start filling this back in. I don't think I'll bore you with that, but I'll just show you when I'm done. And then we'll move on to the next thing. Alright, so here's the end goal. Got the downspout to where it now drains out to the road. Quit draining down here, making a big old rut. Got the new sprinkler in, and in a spot where I can have it swing and cover a big area. That was kind of my goal here, was to get this downspout in so that it would quit ruining the lawn and get that sprinkler head replaced and moved. It didn't turn out terrible, but well, on to the next project. So as I continue on with this, if you want to follow along, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the like button if you like what you saw. Let me know what you think. I'm sure there's varying ways of doing this. Yeah, the ultimate goal is to level the backyard out, at least get rid of the ruts and kind of level it a little bit. But that's all to come. So if you want to follow along, hit subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you in the next video. What? Big bad rate? Oh.